How to insert equations in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then, open the document where you want to add the equation. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list, select Equation. A new equation toolbar will appear just below the formatting toolbar. This toolbar includes symbols for Greek letters, math operations, relationship, and more. Click on any symbol or operator you want to use, and it will appear in the equation box. To add multiple equations, simply click Insert again and choose Equation. You can insert as many as needed throughout your document. When you are done, just click outside the equation area to continue editing the main text. This feature is especially helpful for students, teachers, and professionals working with math, science, or technical content. And that's it. Now you know how to insert equations in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.